It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek, and I'm here at Best Friend by Choi at the Park MGM in Las Vegas. Now, Choi is known as the creator of the Koki Korean taco truck, and he is a legend in Koreatown, Los Angeles. And this is his restaurant in Las Vegas. So let's see what there is to eat. There's the man himself, Choi. Looks a little different now, but so this is a very interesting menu. Banchan. It's kind of an 80s, 90s throwback. I mean, this looks like something from class. I'm gonna have to study this material.
Alright, so what's actually the great thing about this restaurant with this menu, actually resemble a high school yearbook.
Yeah.
That's why you'll see a lot of the old school pictures.
Oh, right.
So it's gonna, all the pictures gonna have everybody that helped him grew up to today what he is now. So from his childhood. And then inside the menu, you're gonna have all the signature popular dishes from all the different locations in the LA restaurants.
All right, we definitely gotta get the Koki short rib tacos. They're $12. What else? It all looks good. I want to get it all. Leave a comment. Let me know what you would get. The slippery shrimp, the shaking beef saltado, the eggplant schnitzel. And if you're a fan of the 80s or a fan of drinking in the 80s, there's a whole 80s cocktail menu. Mai Tai, fuzzy navel, Midori sour, or a salty dog. And you do get complimentary bread here at Best Friends. And this bread looks like it is extra buttery. Ooh, this bread is so soft. Buttery.
So, beer.
That's beer, all right.
Thank you.
All right, so what we're getting for our food, we're getting all of Choi's food that he brought from Los Angeles. We're getting the Koki short rib tacos, the A-frame OG ribs, that's his restaurant in Culver City, and the Chago pork belly bowl, that's his place downtown LA in Chinatown. And here they are. These are the Koki short rib tacos. It's Korean barbecue, salsa roja, cilantro, onion, and lime with chili, soy, slaw, and they're $4 each. This is a plate for $8. You can order them individually or in sets of 3 for $12. This looks like some intense meat right here. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's like an Asian flavor. Oh yeah, ribs? Yeah. Thank you. Excellent, thank you. And here's our ribs. All right, back to the taco. This is the Koki taco truck taco, and this, tacos, this is Mexican, but this has got all sorts of Korean flavors in it. It's a taco.
How you like it? There's a little spiciness to it, but...
A little spicy, but I mean, that's a Korean taco. All right, now let's try these ribs. Oh yeah. It's that same chili flavor like in the taco. It's just a little different. It's I think it's got a hoisin flavor on the ribs and a chili soy flavor in the taco. Oh. It's like the more and more I eat of these, it's like I want to eat it more. But it gets spicier the more I eat it.
I have extra meat to share for everybody.
Oh my God, we got extra meat.
It's like Costco. You guys don't need a membership card though. Free samples.
Look at that. We got free samples of little riblets. Oh, the Calbee short ribs. Well, I gotta try this first. It's piping hot.
So this is actually arriving. It's the one we use for the short rib. We had extra one, so I figured I'd share with them.
Fresh off the grill, and it tastes like it.
So this one is gonna be our Chico pork belly bowl.
Wow.
So the easiest way to eat this one, just dig in there and just mix it all up so you get all the flavors of everything. So.
Will do. Thank you.
And like I said, it has a little slight spiciness to it, but
All right, perfect.
wash it down with her beer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so in addition to the pork belly in here, the fried egg, there's looks like some kind of Thai basil, and of course there's cilantro. So let's see. What is it? Oh, there's rice down here. Ah, yeah, so it's like a rice bowl. Let's cut into that egg. All right, let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's good. It's like rice and spice and pork and peanuts. And there's an egg. All right, per our bartender's instructions, we are going to mix this up. All right, now that is perfectly mixed pork belly bowl. This is a spicy rice bowl. If you like spice, you'll like this. If you don't, don't get this. Well, Roy Choi's Best Friend is definitely a fun place to come where there is food that tastes like it's homemade, like you're in somebody's house and they're just bringing you free samples of whatever comes out of the kitchen. And I think I'm starting to feel like Roy Choi is my best friend. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Best Friend. And be sure to subscribe for more because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.